Hello students, good morning to all. Okay, so today we'll read about addition and subtraction of decimals. So before that we'll discuss what we have studied in last class. We have studied about comparing the decimals and how we'll use the decimals in money, length and weight. Okay, so let's see how we'll add and subtract the decimal number. Okay, so it is very easy, not that difficult. How we are adding the numbers, whole numbers, like that we'll add. But we have to remember some important things. Okay, few important things, very few important things, so that we can easily add and subtract the decimal number. So let's see. First, addition of decimal numbers. So to add decimal numbers, we can add them as whole numbers, but the decimal will remain at same place as it was in the given number. So you cannot displace the decimal point. Okay, wherever decimal point is there, you have to put in that place the decimal point. After that, you can add easily as whole numbers. It means that we have to line up the decimal number. Remember this term, while adding or subtracting, you have to line up. Okay, line up means the decimal point, means you will put the decimal point in a single line. Okay, in each number while writing them, and then add as a whole number. For example, if here given 0.75, 35.327, 4.375. Okay, so what we used to do, we used to write as like 75. Okay, then 35327, then what we used to write, 4375. Like that we used to write. Okay, when we are writing the number, but we cannot write like this in decimal. What we will do, we'll line up the decimal point in a single line. Okay, look at here, 0.75. Okay, so for next number, the decimal point will be in the same place. Okay, in the single line. So here 35 and 327. So 10th place in 10th, 100th place in 100, here 1000th place in 1000. So next is 4.75. So point is here 4.375. Look, like this we will line up the decimal point so that the numbers, the place value will be in the same place. Look, here all are in ones place. This is 10th place, 10th place, 10th, 100th, 1000th place, and decimal point is in line. So remember, always you have to line up. Okay, this is the important point in addition and subtraction. After that, you can add and subtract easily. So the decimal, it means that we have to line up the decimal point in each number while writing them and add them as a whole number. Okay, line up karibo means single line rakhibo decimal point ko. Okay, एठी गोटे डेसिमल, एठी गोटे डेसिमल, एठी गोटे डेसिमल, एठी गोटे, एठी गोटे, एठी गोटे, एमती हबनी. सबले गोटे लाइन रहिबो डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो तापरे कोन इजीली तमे ऐड करि पारिबो. लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल so that we can understand. So example 1, 22.3 and 34.1 added. So what you will do, either you can put ones like tens. Okay, 10th, 100th, like that we can put the place value chart. So 22.3, you can easily put 2 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place, point here, and 3. 34.1, 3, 4, 1. So if you are adding, you can easily add 3, 1, 4, like that. 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 2, 5. So now you can write it as 22.3 plus 34.1 equal to 56.4. Or what you can do, you can simply write 22.3 34.1. Okay, like that. Simply write. Put the decimal point in a line. 3 plus 1 4. You will start from the, always add from the left. Like you are adding the whole number, you will go to fully left. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. Point is in point. 3 plus 2 5. The same thing you will get. If you can use the chart, place value chart, or you can simply put up, line up and add. Let's see another example. Add 1.234 then 71.1. So look at here, 1.234 71 point is here, 71.1. Okay, so here after 1 nothing is there, means you can put 0. Here you can know, here 0 is there, add it. 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 2, 7. Put the point here below the point. So answer is what? 72.334. Next you see, find the sum 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.8. So write in the same way, 0.007. 8.5 point is here, 8.5. Then 30.08. 30.087 I am writing. 30.087. Okay. So look at here, 0, 0. Okay. So 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So right here 4, take 1 here. So keep 1 here. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 0, 5. Then 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 3. Decimal, put the decimal in the line. So answer is what? 38.594. Or you can do what? That place value chart. Like ones, tens, here tenths, hundredths and thousandths. You can put 0.007. 7 is where? Thousandth place. Here 00. Then here also 0, 0. Next 8.5. So 8 is in ones place, put 8. Then 5 is in 10th place. Others are 0. Next 30.087. So 30 here 087. Now you can easily add. Okay. 7 14, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, put 1 here, then 5, then 8, then 3. So answer is what? 3 tens, 8 ones, 5 tenth, 900th, 4000th. So this is 38.594. Okay. So this is about addition of decimal numbers. Next we will see subtraction of decimal numbers. Okay. Subtraction is also as done as normal whole numbers. Okay. After lining up the decimal. The same thing, lining up the decimals of the given number. So let's see one example. Subtract 243.86 from 1402.10. So let's see what we'll do. What we can write? Okay. Either we can write that once. Okay. either we can make the place value chart or we can line up. Okay, so first I am lining up. So 1402.10 minus 243.86. We have to find out the answer. So what we can do? 1402.10. I'll line up, means put the decimal point in the single line. 86 here what? 243. So now we can subtract as we are doing in whole number. Okay, so what we'll do? Here 0 is there, means we'll borrow 110 from here. So this will become 0. Then we'll borrow 110 from here. So this will become 1. Okay. Then here 0 is there. So we'll borrow 110 from here. So this will become 3. Like this we'll do. Next 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Okay, sorry. Here I have forgotten. Okay, 2 is there, here 3. So I can borrow 110. This will become 11. Okay. And here 10 will become 9. I'll write it again. 1402.10 243.86. Again I am writing. I am writing in another pen. In black pen I'll write. Okay. So I'll borrow 110 because smaller number is there. 10. Okay. This will become 0. Then you see 0 is there. So I'll borrow 110. This will become 1. And this will become 10. 110. Then you see 1 is smaller than 3. That's why I need to borrow 10. So this will become 110 from here. So this will become 9. And here you see this will become 110 plus 1 is how much? 11. Okay. Next, these are bigger. So here I have to borrow 110. So this will become 3. Okay. So 110 I have borrowed like this. How we used to do in normal subtraction. Whole numbers. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus here, sorry, 1 0 here. 10 minus 8 is 2. 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1. So answer is what? 1158.24. So answer is 1158.24. So like this we can borrow and do the subtraction how we are doing in a whole number. So what thing we have to remember? We have to remember to line up the decimal point. Okay. Another thing is that we can do by place value chart. So let's say how we can do by place value chart. Okay. For example, it is given subtract 1.32 from 2.58. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll write 1's 10th 100th place. Okay. Then we'll make the box. Okay. So we'll write it. So subtract 1.32 from 2.58 means 2.58 minus 1.32. Okay. So first write 2.58. ones place, 5 is in 10th place, 8 is in 100th place. Next 1.32. 1 is in ones place, 3 is in 10th place, 2 is in 100th place. Minus 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is what? 1.26. So by this also, by place value chart also you can subtract. Okay, so in subtraction and addition you have to line up the decimal point so that you can easily add and subtract the decimal numbers. Or what you can do, you have to put in place value chart and you can add or subtract. So this is about decimals. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.